Successful team collaboration is vital to design success, but as the number of team members increases, so does the possibility of errors. By implementing a centralized, easy-to-manage part database with CIP, you can eliminate errors, streamline your design process, and simplify part creation. CIP enables efficient creation and management of a centralized part database with customizable settings and user permissions. Designers can seamlessly search and place components from a database of verified, approved parts directly in the schematic environment. If the required parts are not available, temporary components can be created in seconds, with automatic population of part attributes, parametric information, and datasheets based on distributor information. If you do not have an existing schematic symbol or footprint, Library Builder can be launched directly in CIP, enabling engineers to easily scrape the preloaded component datasheet to quickly create the necessary symbols using industry or company standards. Engineers can also associate pre-existing symbols, footprints, simulation, and 3D models to components, or leverage pre-built models from UltraLibrarian to ensure accuracy and consistency for the entire team. Your project stays on schedule with the ability to continue the design using temporary components, while a librarian or administrator approves parts. Efficiently track part changes and synchronize information between the schematic and part database, ensuring your design is up to date, saving countless hours of verifying symbols, footprints, components, and the associated parametric information. Once the schematic is complete using verified database components, ensure components are available and purchasable within the time frame of your project, with integrated supply chain analysis. Analyze critical information including component risk, availability, lead time, pricing information, and component lifecycle with LiveBomb to make informed part decisions and optimize component selection. Easily adjust any components before moving to the PCB, with the ability to find alternate sourcing and component crosses directly within your schematic design environment. Streamline part creation, verification, and management with CIP, and leverage a centralized part database in your PCB design environment to reduce errors and improve efficiency for your entire team.